Storm season is coming. Are you ready? When the lights go out and the weather turns dangerous, having reliable backup power isn't just smart, it's essential. That's why DuroMax is here, to keep your home and family powered, safe, and connected. Whether you choose a dual-fuel or tri-fuel portable generator, DuroMax has the power solution that fits your needs. Dual-fuel and tri-fuel generators give you flexibility to run on gasoline, propane, or natural gas. Our home power solutions offer an easy and cost-effective setup so you can be storm-ready within minutes. Having essential power helps you keep fridges, sump pumps, medical devices, and phones running. And because our generators are portable, you can take it with you in case of an evacuation. With DuroMax, you don't just ride out the storm, you stay in control. With millions of satisfied customers and a large active Facebook community, you can rest assured knowing you will be powered through any storm. Don't wait until it's too late. Power through the storm with DuroMax.